You are listening to Mushroom Weather Radio, KMUS, broadcasting on a frequency of 162 mushroom hertz. This broadcast originates from the Mushroom Weather service at Princess Peach's Castle, broadcast from the Mushroom Weather radio transmitter in Desert Land. Forecast. Today. Sun with wind. High 92. Chance of rain 0%. Tonight. Clear. Low 47. Chance of rain 0%. Tomorrow. Sun. High 94. Low. The Mushroom Weather Service at Princess Peach's Castle has issued a dust storm warning for Desert Land until 3:30 p.m. Mushroom Daylight Time. At 12:17 p.m. Mushroom Daylight Time, train spotters reported a haboob developing in extreme western desert land, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Seek shelter now. Get indoors and close all doors and windows. Sandstorms of this intensity can cause risk of suffocation, and can reduce visibilities to zero.